Hi minasan, it's Maria Lisa again, and today's foods is musume sukute dekoreta japchae. Yan, it's a Korean foods na gusto niyang gawin kasi craving daw siya. Actually, ang anak ko kasi is favorite ng Korean foods at Japanese foods. Ako naman kasi, ang ginagawa ko is Philippine foods, Japanese foods. Iba-ibang ryori, iba-ibang luto po dito sa Maria Lisa. And then, makikita nyo kung paano niya minix-mix yung kanyang japchae na kung tawagin at kung ano-anong mga inihalo niya dyan. And then, saka na mo, yaite. Sorry, tara ko. Daisuki na tara ko. And minasang, let's eat. And domo arigato. Always watching. Bye-bye. Thank you.